What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steven from the Valley Garage.
It's
Hey, this is my brother Rick. Right now, we're cleaning some parts. Alright, so before we can get to the new chain lesson video, what I gotta do is I gotta prep some pieces for the new chain because A, it's gonna look a lot more presentable with the new chain on it, but also it cleans up the bike so the person who's gonna buy it doesn't have to clean it. It's gonna be fresh, it's gonna be mint. It's gonna be mint on the back and it's gonna be fresh and clean. No caffeine. Today we are using my brother's parts washer. Here it is. You can pick this up for cheap. It's like 200 bucks at Harbor Freight. But what is a parts washer? What is it? It's a washer that washes parts. Now, essentially what you got here is got cleaning materials on the bottom. You have the parts, the bench itself. You've got a little tray with some holes here that you can drain with. A little basket for small parts, car parts. But on the back of the chain, we have all that grime we got to get off. And all the grime is also on the sprocket. Now, it's not in bad shape. Sometimes you'll see the sprockets bend on an angle like this, the teeth. That's called shark toothing. And when a sprocket shark tooths, it's not getting full tension with the chain links all the way around to drive the bike. But we are in good shape. This is the stock one. We don't need to replace it. But I want to do is I want to clean it. Cleaning this, cleaning that, clean the back of the bike, detailed, look fresh. For the next person who's got to buy it, all they got to do is throw a key in, turn it on, and start ripping. That's it. So, cool thing about the parts washer is it's powered up right over here. I hit a button on the side. It's got a little pump. And the pump will pump the fluid through the parts washer and out this nozzle here. You can aim, you can direct, you can hold up, and you can get your brush to clean. And what happens is all the dirt and grime falls to the bottom of the tank, and then it gets pulled in through a filter, through the pump, and then goes back out and cycles. So you can continue to clean parts and be all right. Grab some gloves, gotta glove up, because it is a grimy. Gloves are on. Parts wash is on. Parts being filmed. I'm gonna roll my sleeves up for this one. So I'm gonna angle this in a way so it doesn't go splashing all over the place. Look at all that coming right off. That's just the big stuff. I haven't even scrubbed it yet. All right, that's a preliminary cleaning right here. So what I want to do is just get the piece a little wet. All right, and I actually got myself a grunge brush. The grunge brush. This is one of the best brushes to get. I'll put a link in the description below. It's actually for a chain. You can do the top, you can do the bottom, you can do the back. But it also has this nice detail brush too for cleaning your rims. But I'm gonna use this end basically to knock off the big stuff here, like so. Look at that nasty. Now you want to be careful with the chrome. You don't want to scrape the backside, but underneath you're never going to see it. This way you can get nice and deep. Oh, that is nasty. Look at that all coming out. Look at that, huh? Holy smokes. This part's gonna be brand new when I'm done with it. just like a paintbrush. Clean my work area real quick. Brush that all off there. Beautiful. Fucking beautiful we're working here, huh? Nice fresh parts and sheet. I'm loving it. This is fantastic. I should just buy my own, but I think I just keep using this one.
Two. Again?
This is the greatest thing I've ever used in my life. I am so glad I bought this from my brother so I can use this every time I need to clean a part. If you never used a parts washer before, that's how you do it. You do it. Alright, so check it out. I forgot to film a before and after, so I'll use the before clip right here. We have all that grime we gotta get off. This here's the end result. Now, that to me looks good.
Oh, it looks great.
Thanks, my dude. Perfect. Huh? Check that out. The back part is clean when I do the rear weights. I got in between, you're gonna see the outside. So it's all gonna be super clean and everything. So when this is back on the rim, this gets covered. The nice chain will go around it with the real nice detailed and cleaned up chain guard on the back there. For whoever buys it, the customer, they're gonna be happy. Why? Because it's clean, it's detailed, it's cleaned up. Just throw a key in, turn it on, and start ripping. Anyway, so that's that. So that's today's episode. I hope you liked it. If you want to watch something else, you can click over here. You can click over here. Be ready to rip. Peace.